Massive product haul part 2.
Right, and these are some nice pink buffers. They are 10 in a pack. Okay, so now I want to get to the art. So we've got these cute little hearts. They're like transparent little hearts. They're going to look gorgeous over a color. And then we've got some tiny little silver, not really silver, but like, you know, little crystals. The sun is not really, the light isn't reflecting, but they're really pretty. And then I absolutely love this. Oh, this is so cool for Valentine's. So we've got like some chrome, like very like chrome glitters, and some bigger glitters and smaller glitters. Gorgeous for Valentine's. And then we've got a mix of glitters. Also beautiful. Absolutely stunning. This has got like a little bit of chunky bits in it, small little bits in it. Oh, gorgeous. And then we've got some foils. Rose gold, silver, gold, rose gold, like a mixture of gold and rose gold. And then we got, this is super cute, little hearts and little crosses, so very cute. And then we've got some of these caviar beads, very pretty. I know you can't really see it in the packaging. Maybe let me take it out so I can see it better. Oh, there we go. So it's like little tiny caviar beads. I don't know if you guys can see that. Little tiny caviar beads, so pretty. And then we've got some of these. Aren't these cool? And guys, remember, these you can use on the nail and you can make jewelry out of them as well. So they've got many uses, you know. Little leaves. These look like little unicorn horns. Some little triangles. It's so pretty. And then this one, we've got some shells. We've got some seahorses. Let me show you. Some seahorses, some shells, some leaves. So it's silver and gold. Super cool. And then I've already got the alphabet one in this. This is the numbers, okay? So these are different numbers, 1 to 2, 3, 4, whatever. Absolutely cool. And neon colors. And then we've got the ombre foils. So I'm going to have fun showing you guys how to use this. Ombre foils, okay? And then we've got this little duty. I don't know how I'm going to use him, but look how cute that is. But definitely will be used and incorporated in my designs. So that is the arts, the different little arts, you know, the stickers, the arts, etc. And oh, there's one more thing. And then we've got these super little cute, what are they? Oh, they look like little flowers. Oh, they're little bows, I think. Yeah, they're little bows. Oh my word, so cute. Got some more sparkles. I mean, sparkles. So cute. I love this color. Oh my word. And ebonite. And then we've got some more foils. We've got little butterflies. These are see-through. I'm definitely going to show you guys how to use this. And we've got some more crystals. Oh, look how beautiful they are. The SS5. Oh, they're so gorgeous. And then we've got some pearls. Beautiful pearls. So that's all the nail sort of art. The stickers, the glitters, the foils, all of that. And let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, so this is the Russian. You guys have seen me do a teddy, mold a teddy out of this Russian gel. Absolutely love it. It's non-sticky. You can play with it. It's very similar to the TNA solid gels. Let me just get the camera to focus. So this is the Russian one and this is the TNA one. They're basically the same. This is just a little bit smaller, as you can see. Both of these products I recommend. They are really, really awesome. This one's a little bit cheaper than this one, but they both do the same thing. Okay, so that is the solid TNA gel and the Russian solid gel as well. Okay, so I will definitely obviously be swatching, showing you guys exactly how the products work as well. So this is just obviously a product haul, an unboxing. Okay, so that is that. And then we've got two of these Vendini. These are the Vendini Sparkle Gels. So this is not a solid gel. It's an actual gel that you use. Can't wait to show you these. I will definitely obviously show you what's inside, the colors and etc. And then I got, wait for it guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of these building nail gel from the nail art. Okay, they've got like little hearts in them. They've got little glitters in them. Okay, so I will be swatching these as well for you so you guys can see. I'm not sure if this is a builder gel or if this is a solid gel. I haven't opened it yet, but I will definitely open it and show you guys what this is all about. So definitely going to be doing that for you. And then we've got the TNA foil gel. So when you are working with the foils, okay, you need a foil gel. Don't get foil glue, it doesn't work, okay? But if you're going to get foils, you need to get either the AS foil glue, okay, the foil gel, or the TNA. Okay, so I'll definitely show you how this will be working together. And then we got some sticky bond from the TNA as well, which I will also list the prices and everything there. Oh, and we've got another one of these Sparkle Vendini gels that I will be showing you as well. And then we've got some Builder Gel. Now the IBD Builder Gel is the perfect consistency. It doesn't chip, it doesn't break, it doesn't chip or peel or anything like that. It's really, really good. It comes in clear, white, and like a translucent pink. So it's perfect for, you know, the ladies that are training as well. This is the perfect gel to be training with, okay? And then, wait, one second. You'll have to go to part 3, I think it is.